here we go. So hello everyone, this is Biker 390. Yeah, you can see a cop without helmet. There he is. So right now I'm at Bandra. Why am I at Bandra? Because I bought this. This is the new RAM mount, universal RAM mount for motorcycles, where you can place your phone here. So yeah, from many days I was looking for a RAM mount. I actually had a very cheap mobile holder, which I bought from Amazon, which costed around 200 to 300 rupees. I don't remember the exact cost, but it was very basic and cheap one. I'd always afraid to keep the phone on it because it used to vibrate like crazy, and when it used to hit a pothole, it used to shake like crazy. So I finally decided, bus ho gaya, now I need a RAM mount, because it comes very handy for maps, then on long distances to charge your phone. Yeah, I also have a old USB charger, as you can see over here. Yeah, so Bolt is an Indian company who makes USB chargers. It's an amazing product, guys. Augie has already made a review on it. Yeah, so I haven't used it so far, but yeah, it's good. I use it on my long rides. It will come very handy. I now have a RAM mount. I can connect the charger over here without any tension of the phone falling off. So yeah, I got this RAM mount for 4,000 rupees. Yeah, I know the RAM mounts are expensive, but you can trust them. They are an American company which makes these products. Absolute amazing products. Many superbike owners also use them. Actually, you do get a RAM mount copy also, that is a replica, which costs very less, like around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees, and you also get a USB charger inside it, like connected USB charger, like the USB port will be over here and you can directly connect. But yeah, I do not trust those Chinese products, hence I decided to go for the original RAM mount. Also, I already had a old USB charger, so I decided there was no use of two chargers on my bike. So yeah, you all must be wondering, where is the Bolt charger? So the Bolt charger comes with one main connector which is placed on the bike, that's on the handlebar, and there's a square shape which comes over here. Sadly, I do not have it now, or else I would have shown you. Yeah, you have to remove that square thing when you are not using it, or else anyone anytime can use the charger and it might drain your battery. So yeah, it's better that you remove it when you are not using it. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Just a short vlog for this RAM mount. You can see, yeah, you can use it for your maps, and you can see who's calling you, etc. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, ride safe. Bye bye. And yeah, I forgot to mention, I got this RAM mount from Moto 101. It's a shop located in Mumbai, Bandra, or Khar to be precise. So yeah, it's a very good shop. You will find all the helmets, jackets, pants, everything you need. So yeah, that's it.